a world that moves fast, the backwaters of Kerala remind us to slow down. Here, time flows gently, like the ripples beneath a drifting houseboat. The breeze hums through coconut palms, birds call from across the water, and every turn in the canal feels like poetry in motion. We are setting sail into a land where nature speaks softly and stillness becomes a story. Welcome to Kerala's backwaters, where every wave holds a memory and every moment feels like home. Hi there, people, this is Barsha, and welcome to another beautiful travel story from Kerala. Let's dive into yet another chapter of this unforgettable journey. After a peaceful night in Alapura, our morning began with something truly special, a visit to the Udupi Krishna temple. Though the original Udupi is in Karnataka, this serene temple here in Alapura carries the same divine aura. Peaceful chants, the scent of sandalwood, and the soft ringing of temple bells created the perfect start to our day, calm, reflective, and spiritual. আমি দিনটো আৰম্ভ কৰিলোঁ উডুপি কৃষ্ণ মন্দিৰলৈ গৈ। যদিও মূল উডুপি কৰ্ণাটকত অৱস্থিত, আলাপুৰাৰ এই শান্ত মন্দিৰটোও একেধৰণে পুণ্য আৰু ধৰ্মীয় পৰিৱেশেৰে ভৰা। After the temple visit, we had some delicious dosa and upma for the breakfast. Simple, tasty, and just what we needed before a day full of exploring. এতিয়া সময় হৈছে সেই অভিজ্ঞতা ল'বলৈ যাৰ বাবে আমি অতিকৈ অপেক্ষা কৰি আছিলোঁ। Kerala's জনপ্ৰিয় backwater ঘূৰি চাবলৈ। It was time for the experience we were really waiting for, exploring Kerala's iconic backwaters. To explore Kerala's backwaters, you can take a houseboat, shikara, canoe, motorboat, or even a public ferry. And if you are really interested, you can also go for kayaking. Kerala's backwater explore কৰিবলৈ আপুনি houseboat, shikara, canoe, motorboat বা ৰাজহুৱা ফেৰী লৈও ঘূৰিব পাৰিব। আৰু যদি বহুত বেছি ইণ্টাৰেষ্টেড হয়, দেন কায়াকিঙো কৰিব পাৰিব। For those who don't know, backwaters are a network of interconnected canals, rivers, and lakes where fresh water and seawater meet. It is a unique ecosystem where nature, water, and village life flow together in harmony. যিসকলে নেজানে, বেকৱাটাৰ হৈছে নদী, খাল আৰু হ্ৰদৰ মিল। নদীৰ পানী আৰু সাগৰৰ পানী লগ পায়। We chose a Shikara Ride instead of a houseboat, mainly because it can move through the smaller canals that houseboat can't access. The price was quite reasonable, and since we had limited time and had to travel back to Kochi the same day, it was a perfect option. We paid rupees 500 per person for a 1-hour ride, and it was totally worth it. আমাৰ ওচৰত সময় কম আছিল, যিহেতু আমি সেইদিনাই কোচি ঘূৰি যাবলৈ প্লেন কৰিছিলোঁ। সেইবাবে আমি হাউচবোটৰ ঠাইত শিকাৰা ৰাইড ল'লোঁ। 1 ঘণ্টাৰ বাবে প্ৰতিজনৰ পৰা 500 টকা লোৱা হৈছিলে। শিকাৰাই সৰু খাল কুঁৱলীৰ মাজেৰে সহজে যাব পাৰে, য'ত হাউচবোটে নোৱাৰে। You can also opt for a houseboat if you have more time. They offer overnight stays with food and comfortable rooms, a perfect way to relax and soak in the backwaters at your own pace. Prices usually start from around 6,000 to 10,000 per night, depending on the size and facilities of the boat. আপোনাৰ ওচৰত যদি বেছি সময় আছে, তেন্তে হাউচবোটো ল'ব পাৰে। ইয়াত ৰাতি থাকিবলৈ সুবিধা আছে, খোৱা লোৱা, কমফৰ্টেবল ৰুমছ পাব, য'ত আপুনি ৰিলেক্স কৰিব পাৰিব। বোটৰ সাইজ আৰু সুবিধাৰ ওপৰত নিৰ্ভৰ কৰি এটা ৰাতিৰ বাবে সাধাৰণতে 6,000ৰ পৰা 10,000 টকালৈ খৰচ হয়। Look at how effortlessly he is driving the Shikara. চাওকচোন, চালকজনে কেনেকৈ একেবাৰে সহজভাৱে শিকাৰাখন চলাই লৈ গৈ আছিল। There is a kind of rhythm in the way he moves, like he's done this 1,000 times. Just calm waters, soft engine hum, and complete peace. The journey through Kerala's backwaters felt like floating through a live painting. So peaceful, so still, it was absolutely magical. The boat gently took us through narrow canals, under low bridges, past coconut groves, and tiny village homes. It felt like time had slowed down, just birds, ripples, and the sound of silence. Seeing it through the lens was beautiful, but being there in reality, it was something words can't describe. Some moments were meant to be felt, not just captured. It was a great experience, something truly special. One should definitely come here and witness this miracle of nature with their own eyes. কেৰালাৰ বেকৱাটাৰৰ মাজেৰে এই যাত্ৰাটো যেন এখন জীয়াই থকা ছবি পাৰ হৈ যোৱাৰ দৰে লাগিছিল। অত্যন্ত শান্ত, স্থিৰ আৰু অন্তৰৰ কোনো কোণাত স্পৰ্শ কৰি যোৱা নিচিনা। কেমেৰাৰ লেন্সৰ জৰিয়তে দেখুৱাটো সুন্দৰটো আছিলে, কিন্তু বাস্তৱতে সেই ঠাইত উপস্থিত থাকিব পৰা অনুভৱ কথাৰে বৰ্ণনা কৰিব নোৱাৰি। এইটো এটা অসাধাৰণ অভিজ্ঞতা আছিল, একেবাৰে বিশেষ। সকলোৱে এবাৰ আহি প্ৰকৃতিৰ এই আচৰিত সৌন্দৰ্য নিজে চকুৰে দেখাটো উচিত। The ride was soothing like therapy in motion. The gentle breeze, the stillness of water, and the reflections of the sky felt like poetry. Real and raw Kerala. This backwater ride was truly special for us as a couple. The Shikara was all ours for an entire hour, just the two of us, surrounded by calm waters and nature's beauty. You can actually see the joy on our faces. Those smiles weren't posed, they were real. It was peaceful, romantic, and something we will always cherish together. শিকাৰাখন এঘণ্টাৰ বাবে সম্পূৰ্ণ আমাৰেই আছিল। এঘণ্টাৰ বাবে মাথো আমি দুজন, পানী আৰু প্ৰকৃতিৰ মাজত। আমাৰ মুখৰ হাঁহি দেখি স্পষ্ট হৈছিল যে আমি কিমান সুখী আৰু শান্ত অনুভৱ কৰিছোঁ। এইকেইটা মুহূৰ্ত যি মনত সদায় থাকি যাব। This being my first time in Kerala, every single moment has felt so new and full of life, from the calm backwaters to the vibrant beaches and the warm people. It's hard to believe that there's only one more day left to explore the remaining parts of Fort Kochi. So many memories already made and still a little more to go. I'm excited, emotional, and just soaking in everything while I can. Exploring the backwaters, we went back to Alapura Beach one last time because you can never get enough of those waves and the salty breeze. The ocean welcomed us with its usual roar, the sand felt familiar, and even though we had been here before, it felt new all over again. We spent some quiet time soaking in the view, clicking our last few pictures and just enjoying the sea breeze. বেকৱাটাৰ এক্সপ্ল'ৰ কৰাৰ পিছত আমি শেষবাৰলৈ আলাপুৰা বীচলৈ আকৌ আহিলোঁ। সাগৰৰ গভীৰ শব্দই যেন আমাক আকৌ স্বাগতম জনালে। আমি আকৌ অলপ সময় শান্তিতে বহি দৃশ্য উপভোগ কৰিলোঁ। শেষবাৰৰ বাবে কিছুমান ফটো তুলি ল'লোঁ আৰু সাগৰৰ বতাহত মগ্ন হৈ থাকিলোঁ। লাগিছিল যেন মই ঢৌৰ মাজতে হেৰাই গৈছোঁ। It was a perfect farewell to a place that had already given us so much. Smile! With our hearts full and memory cards even fuller, we wrapped up another beautiful chapter of our Kerala diaries. Later that evening, it was time to head back. We booked a cab and started our journey back to Ernakulam, the city from where our Kerala journey began. Tomorrow brings a new destination, a new experience, and we can't wait to share it with you. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. If you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We will see you in the next travel story. Until then, take care and keep exploring. In the next vlog, get ready to witness the rich cultural lanes of Fort Kochi, historic Matanchari Palace, walk through the colorful alleys of Jew Town, step inside the centuries-old Pardesi Synagogue, and let's get lost in the aromas of Kerala's famous spice markets. A journey of culture, history, and aromas you will never forget. Stay tuned!